Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to drop your comments and give my video a thumbs up. And to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Please, I want you to also drop your comment and I will appreciate that. Thank you. Today we are going to learn how to make popcorn. I will begin by adding oil into an empty pot. Next, you add some maize into the pot and don't allow it to be too much, because when it is too much you will not like it. It will litter everywhere in your kitchen. It's popping already. We need to cover it. The only way you can stir it is to roll your pot at interval to avoid it from burning, and also to allow every grain to pop up very well. This is very simple and easy to make. You don't need to have a popcorn machine before eating popcorn. Just get your popcorn, get your pot and little oil. With that you are okay. The first set is ready. Let's see, our popcorn is ready. Now we are going to fry the remaining corn. Yeah, continue same process until you are done. It's all popping, popping, popping. One thing you must not forget is stirring. Continue stirring, roll your pot, because that is the only way you can stir it. It won't be a bad idea having this by your side while watching TV. Also do this for your kids, and I know they are going to love it because most children like taking popcorn. This is ready and we are going to move to the next stage. The quantity in the pot is much, so I'm going to reduce some in order to introduce our sugar to it. Please make sure you turn off the heat before adding sugar. I added a pinch of salt, though it is optional. Mix it until well combined. I'm going to show us 3 different ways of making this, and this is the first one. At this point, I'm done mixing the popcorn and sugar. We'll be moving to the next one, which we are going to add some water into an empty pot, add some sugar, stir and allow to dissolve. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt to this solution, though it is optional, just like I've said earlier. Keep stirring until the sugar and salt is well dissolved. Then transfer it into 2 different cups. You can use a plate, whichever is available. I have blue and red food coloring, and I'm going to mix each of it into a different cup. I'm going to use this solution to color some part of my popcorn. I didn't add sugar nor anything to that particular popcorn. So I'm going to use this solution, which consists sugar, salt and food coloring, to make our rainbow popcorn. This is not a complete rainbow color, but you can do well to get your complete rainbow color and have your popcorn colored the way you want. This is simply the type of popcorn that you see in the supermarket. You can do all this at home and have your beautiful popcorn at home. If you are looking for business idea, you can also do this. Just check your environment and know what people around there need. When you know your environment, you will know the kind of business to venture into. See you some other time when I post my next video. Bye bye.